2, 3, and...
Come and watch, I'ma show you how it's done. Post a vid, make you get a little buzz. Big head pat, got reviews like Yelp. Got all eyes on, cause I do it so well. I'ma pull up with the whip like Tokyo Drift. With some fresh new heat, I'ma load up the clip. It can get a little scary, but like don't even trip. This is every damn day, like I don't even skip. Come and watch, yeah, yeah. Come and watch, hey. Come and watch, do it, like.
Did a slow-mo. I don't know how it did it, but it did. This video showing you guys the speaker lids for my saddlebags, my saddlebag extensions. I appreciate everybody rocking with me, man. The summertime is a real busy time for my job, so that's why I need everybody that's watching to like the videos, comment, and sub, man. I need you guys to really get into the videos, be part of the Big Head gang, you know what I mean, and be part of the bike build, you know what I mean. This has been I've been really privileged to be able to do this, man. I love my bike, so I want you guys to really rock with me. Tell me how you feel about it, and you know, if there's anything you would change, you let me know. All right, check out the bike, let me know how you feel about it. Let's go. Here's my baby. It's over there right now. This is the love. This is my second love of my life, all right? He said, so next time y'all see her, I ain't put it on here all the way, but that's why I don't like these, because these just keep popping off. But man, that's for the hook on. But anyways, these will be gone, and it'll be extended at the bottom, so you'll be able to look at the back, and it'll be down here. You know what I mean? It will be 4-inch bags. Like I said, I don't need them to replace them. I don't plan on putting a lot in there. I will have a sound system down the line, but I won't get my sound system after I get it painted, because I don't want the painter having to take it apart, you know what I mean, take the sounds out and all that, all right? But this is my baby, y'all. Next thing I'll be looking for is I want a LED cluster. I already know which one I want. Want that. I don't know if I'm gonna change this, guys, or get this painted. I don't know yet, but I think I can take this piece off. I hate this. I hate wood grain. I hate wood grain on cars, everything. Like the wood grain, especially when it's fake wood like that. I hate that. But guys, let me know what you think I should change on here, all right? I want to get a new cover for this because it's cracking like that. And I might replace all this. All this might get new trimming. I'm trying to get as much chroma here as I can, but like I said, I love my bike. I'm looking at some 21s in the front, 16s in the back. Sound system, you guys will have to wait for that, but I'm just waiting on the guy to come pick up the bike. We'll go from there. I appreciate everybody's just tuning in and being part of the Big Head gang, man. We really got a lot we pushing forward with this first build, and we already got a sponsor, man. Somebody emailed me. And it was so unreal, just from one video, that like I was like, is this spam? So I had to check it out and everything. But it's really a company. Want to sponsor someone on the video? Like I said, you have to stay tuned, man. You have to sub to the channel. You have to comment, like the video, get people to get on here with you. You know what I mean? Because I'm really trying to grow my community on my channel. But my Cholo build is really coming. Actually, real quick, it's really growing quickly. You know what I mean? So y'all, please don't forget to like, share, and sub. When the guy get here with his truck and trailer, I get back with you. Well, guys, I helped him put it on there, but my baby is about to leave. Look at that beautiful thing. She look good, I'm not gonna lie. Next time y'all see her, those will be different. All right, man, love this bike. Say bye to my baby. Hopefully we'll see her later on today. Appreciate Ricky's garage and Kyle, man. Kyle, you know, got out his busy schedule, come get it, man. So hopefully we'll see her later. Man, I love that bike, man. Like, they tell you, man, bikes are an addiction. It really is. Like, look at it. Just look at it. She's just gorgeous. I'm addicted to my bike, people. So, I'm not gonna hold you guys long. If, you know, I'm not gonna drop the video until I get it back for you can see the bags, man. And, the saddlebag covers, and it should be extended when we get it back. I have a paint color in mind. I want you guys to let me know in the comments what color you guys want to see. Like I said, it's our bike, you know what I mean? And once again, if you want to give donations, because it's not a cheap thing to do. No, it's not cheap to fix these bikes up, but you know, I'm still doing what my wife tells me not to do. And she do the same thing, so guess we're in the same boat. But the bike will be along shortly. Like I said, it's all gonna be one video, so this video won't drop until I get the bike back. He said it should be done today. So, you know what I mean? I'll see you guys then. What's up, y'all? It's another day, man. So, you know I gotta ask you guys, man, please don't forget to like, share, and sub. The bag extensions are on, and the saddlebag covers are on. I'm super excited about it. Man, my wife, she's not feeling well, so I'm not gonna put her in the camera, y'all. But we're on our way to get the bike, and then I'm gonna drive it home. I'm gonna show you guys the bike. Let me know what you think about it. I don't know, man. I'm just excited. I'm super excited about the bike, and it's coming along. So all we're really gonna do now is paint rims and exhaust. And I think that's all we have to do. So after we do that, Ruby will be complete. All right, so my mechanic sent me a video, man, and I'm gonna put it in the video.
Not sure if he lost something, but for some reason, Ruby showed up. Some beautiful new bag lids, bag extenders. I don't know if you want it, you want her or not, but let me know.
And man, ever since I was at work, man, like I was excited. I feel like work took so long. Like, bikes are really just life. Like, it's just so fun to do, and I don't know, it's been a real big part. So don't forget to like, share, sub. I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Here's my baby, y'all. All right, see the extenders, see the Saddlebag Lids here. These hold 2 6x9s, and they got the extensions on there. And man, I cannot wait to get it painted, get those all as one piece. I cannot wait, man. Rick is somewhere around here. What's up, y'all? What's up, fellas? Man, yeah, this thing is, I love my bike. But, man, let's talk to Rick. Come on, Rick. So, was it a hard job, Rick?
Oh, yeah.
It was?
Nice and fun.
Nice and fun. Yep, so all we got left is paint, tires and rims, and that's it, y'all. But I'm about to ride. I've been waiting to ride my bike for about a week. When I got it back home, man, ride. It's about 2 weeks I ain't rode my bike. So, y'all, this your boy BigHeadPat. Don't forget to like, share, and sub. What's up, y'all? So, I'm making this part of my video. My camera just looks so, like, I don't know why. But, I'm making this part of the video, guys, because I rode a bike home. I was going to get some rolling footage, but, man, my throttle was messing up. Not because of my bike or not because of what Ricky did. It's because of this, all right? I'm definitely making a review on this. This is my throttle, okay? The throttle, okay? So when I was driving, this is not the whole throttle. You can see the inside. It's missing a piece, yes. Well, the cheap glue they use on this, I got these from Amazon. I was riding. I was trying to put my throttle back to, shift gears. And I was, doing my throttle thing, and it started sliding. So I had to grab the little black piece where my button housing is, my switch housing is, and I was turning, and that's the only way I could throttle up and down. You know what I mean? So this could have really killed me. You know what I mean? If I didn't know what I was doing. So this is definitely getting a bad review on Amazon. I will have this link in the description, guys. I need you guys to put a bad review on these for me, because the glue was really it just came off it was nothing. Look at this. That should have been melted into this or something. I mean, it shouldn't have been like this. It's kind of make my bike look ugly now because this is off. So I have one on and one off. You know what I mean? I don't like that. So now I got to order some more pieces, but I think I'm just going to put the stock ones back on, and that'll probably be the only piece from the original bike when I got it. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think about the vlogs for the bike, man, the bike build. Man, I just love the bike. I love the culture, and it's just getting better from here. All right, y'all, please do not forget to like, share, and sub, man. People are not subbing. I mean, having 4,000 or 5,000 views of my videos and no more subbing, man. If you like the videos, if you want me to do things better, or if you want to be part of Big Head Gang, y'all, please like, share, and sub. It's your boy BigHeadPat. I'm out.
Yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch. Do it, like.